so good. I was depicted in some hummus. Oh my god, I was like the best thing in the world.
Hell yeah.
Hummus is like low-key top 3 condiments.
Yeah, I've never had it.
You haven't? Oh.
We have it. It's just that I've just never had it.
Yeah, it just goes really well with like snack food. You can put it in like sandwiches and stuff, but I don't usually eat it like that. It goes well with like tortilla chips and stuff. Doritos.
I usually use hot sauce.
I mean that's good as well. That's fair as well.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. You're talking about like straight up hot sauce, or you're talking like salsa?
Like straight up hot sauce. I fucking hate salsa.
Are you really? Alright, fair enough.
I have I like hot foods, like uncomfortably hot foods. I downed a bottle of, well, I didn't really down it, but I like got through it. A bottle of capsaicin extract. It was 6 point something million Scoville.
Bro, once me and my brother tried like a straight up habanero pepper, and that shit was like,
Wait,
I was
yo,
like salivating over my my sink. Like we're just like salivating, drool just coming out endlessly. We're sweating so hard. I mean, I don't know how you done that shit. And some people like straight up just like take bites out of habaneros and like Carolina Reapers, like they're nothing.
Yeah.
So desensitized that shit to get to that level.
For me, it was just like I had to taste a ghost pepper like one time, because like before I wasn't actually into spicy food at all. I fucking hated it, mainly because I couldn't handle a spicy chicken nugget from Wendy's growing up, so I didn't really like focus on spicy foods. And my dad like later in my teens challenged me to eat a ghost pepper. I was like, okay, and I fucking loved it.
I get what you mean. I really love spicy food, but like I'm not at that level. Like I love spicy food, I just can't tolerate like extremely spicy stuff.
Yeah, I get that.
I know I'm just like we're like extremely white. Like, we aren't built for that shit. And I'm like really tolerant in my family. Like my family's even worse than I am.
Oh damn.
Yeah, like my family can barely even tolerate like a jalapeno, bro. Like, my brother is like the most like the closest to me, but my dad and my mom especially. Like, my mom gets like fucked by salami, bro.
Yeah.
That's just like yeah.
All right, so I am going to go ahead and add a. Yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add a module script to the module script. We're gonna call this shop type. And we're just gonna do config probably. No, yeah.
I needed to do the thing where the end game screen is in front of me. Let's see if we can do that.
Let's do. We don't want this to be. to be an onion that I want, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna steal my onion code. Then we are going to you know what? Maybe I should just do that and then just import the onion into here. So shop onion. Sorry, I'm not entertaining stream. This is.
Yeah, I mean, this isn't supposed to be an entertainment stream.
No. If I was entertaining,
It's actually mostly for us, really.
Yeah.
It's just lock in.
So I want strike. Let me copy all of the. There we go. So that's in place. So now that I have that, I'm going to do item type, and that is equal to shop enum dot enum, and then that should work. I love writing types. Yeah, we'll keep it like that for now. And then I'm just going to have this as a return shop. I'm going to have this return shop dot what? Shop.item. Oh, because I'm not typecasting it, right? Okay. And then we have our logical shop. Alright. Now we can make our items. So let's see what items we have.
Start with the strokes.
Yeah. I should probably go ahead and go to the profile template and add for purchased items, just give it default.
Chill by making the background of the windscreen just like they're chilling on a bench in a park.
Maybe.
Just to put me.
so we got. We'll just do item. We'll just start with strike. So. Game is equal to the default strike. Oh, I need to do this as a table of the items. Yeah, that should work. And then we have separate code that handles the actual use of it. Okay. It might get a little messy, but that's fine. I'm talking about, yeah. Like the code for it, but I'm trying to make it as clean as possible.
As long as it's maintainable. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a total mess, I can help.
I'm typecasting the shop so like they can buy the shop from everything else, and then that's what handles the shop, and then I'm gonna have another area that handles just the logic of them. So you just keep the item as like a logical item. Which is why it says it might get a little messy, but it's doable. I'm actually going to make a display name. You were just gonna do it like a manual import probably, or an automatic import maybe. Image string, description string. Yeah.
That's gonna be for the just for the game passes and the bundles and stuff. Because there's definitely a description.
No, it doesn't need a description. Okay.
Yeah, but like only those ones. It's for the bundles section.
Okay.
The
And
rest of them
do they
do one for everything.
do they need images or?
Yes.
Okay. So no description, but does have an image. I think a description's fine. Cause like when you get to like the themes.
You're talking about the strike sounds and stuff. The strike sounds, they don't have images though. So like the sound ones don't have images. They just have an image of a audio thing.
Yeah. That's fine as long as I get
Does it
the
count?
image ID, because I'm gonna automatically populate them in.
Okay.
That way it's a little easier to maintain. You said 100's like the go-to price for cents. Okay.
I might make it more for like some extra popular ones or something. We'll see.
So dumb. My friend group is talking about cell lemons. The illness. What have I done?
Yeah, you put it to me as well. Because to be fair, I have something that's looking at it as well.
I'm just kind of making the descriptions of whatever I think is funny for now, and then we can revise it. What would be the description for the Lego breaking? I haven't even been looking at chat, god damn it. Oh, no one said anything. Hold on, turn down that. While you do that, I'm going to add the description. Trying to keep the... Yeah, there you go. It's like, I fucking hate the AI autocomplete, dude.
Yeah, I mean, it only actually works like 10% of the time.
Yeah. If it works, it works, but if it doesn't, it's just like,
yeah,
why?
When it works, it's like, yay, save me like half a second. Because usually it's like the trivial shit. Yeah, I'll revise prices later. I'm just kind of just writing all of these effects into this this table. Do you need me to do anything right now?
Maybe make the themes for the bombs?
Yeah.
Yeah, start with like the classic theme.
Oh, I just copy that.
Yeah.
The other blues.
You just gotta make sure it works with some of the other bombs.
Yeah, I might have to change some of the sizes.
I do like the clockwork theme that was suggested.
Yeah. I wanna, the way I wanna do the bomb themes, I was thinking about it. We can do it where like each of the bombs that we already have, we just keep those ones, and we add like a variant to each of them, and just start using those basically. So I have to make like a couple of variants. It shouldn't be that bad, because it's probably just gonna be designing the main theme and then just resizing it with those.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it should just be easy as fuck.
Alright, let me... Alright. I forgot we added that in, holy shit.
What?
The you died fucking Dark Souls thing. We'll do prices like 1,500 or for exploding things. No, that seems a little high. 750.
Change the color.
What's our CCU at right now? 1,700! Oh, it dropped down to 16. But what the fuck?
Literally insane.
Oh, at 3 in the afternoon. On a Thursday.
It's like...
Last night at the same hour, we had 1,400. We have more than 200 CCU more. This might be 2.5 day.
I don't know.
Let's see.
I hope it is. I hope never believe it till you see it.
Never believe it Tease it. Although every time I believed in it, it worked, so who knows?
I'm trying to just be like
pessimistic about it.
I'm just trying to like keep my expectations down just in case.
Yeah.
It's like I still can't believe it's true. I made this, so it's probably try to see it very well. Like a model layer. Just chilling, or just put me in here or something.
Yeah.
So like, I kind of wanted to make it so that like when you win, you see like the characters chilling after like defusing the bombers.
Alright, I've made the shop-ish. I mean, like just a list. So now, how am I listening to Linkin Park? Okay.
We might not even have to put any players in the background because you can not potentially see much behind the menus.
Yeah.
You should probably just leave the bench like this. I'll just point the camera. Just continue to do that. New list. Table dot. Insert new list item. Let's do Screenshot in DMs. So it's gonna look like something like the same thing. Stretching every 5 seconds.
yeah. That's good. Now, if I go to our shop listener, I probably should make a remote function. Shop listener. There's Alright, I think that's working now. So if you call the return shop function, it will return the player's shop in a logical topology of a table, and then we can, and based on the end, you can sort it into the appropriate area. I do need to add like the images, so like for audio, I probably should add like an audio image or like.
Oh yeah, I made one already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just an image.
Yeah. Yeah.
Although to be fair, for the sounds, we might just be able to copy it from a template. Since they're all going to be the same. They're going to be exactly the same.
No, yeah, they're all going to be the same, but I'm just doing this so that it's set up for, like,
Yeah,
it's just going to automatically.
for everything.
Yeah.
I get you.
I don't have an image for that yet.
Start recording the podcast. Bro, it's already been 30 minutes, or more than 30 minutes, fuck. Yeah, let's actually get some bangers. I need a banger. Just do that. So now we can dynamically update their shop. How are we going to structure the bombs for them? Should we have like, because right now they're all set in. Okay, so right now they're all in server storage, right? So we have the game assets, we have difficulties, and the bombs are in the difficulties. So maybe what we can do is we can rename the bomb to like each difficulty name or like each team name.
Yeah, maybe.
And then we like rename it automatically to bomb because like a lot of stuff depends on that after. It's just so like the game knows which ones to pull out, you know?
Yeah.
Although because in the future we're gonna have mission mode as well though.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna be using the same bombs as like easy, medium.
I wonder when we're...
the same ones, but we need to structure it differently. We can't like have it in just beginner easy.
I wonder when the RIA results are coming out.
I think in September. For the nominations.
Yeah. I know, like, previous ones, they came out pretty early.
What do you think for the second one?
Voting to be decided. Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this, actually. I have an idea, but then we'd have to change how we load in the bombs. This is kind of weird. This. So the problem with stuff like this, the bomb team stuff, is that like every new bomb we add is gonna need like it's like
Yeah.
however many bomb teams we have, basically.
Well, what we can do also, well, yeah, obviously that, but like, it will be a little annoying to manage that. So I don't think we should have like a bunch of bomb themes.
I'm trying to think. Maybe what we can do is do something like how I did in ranked, where instead of having a bomb for each difficulty, you have a bomb that has like a module count specification on it, and the difficulty config calls for a bomb of that count, and like they're kind of like preset bombs instead of just like being one for each, you know.
Maybe.
So in mission mode, when I have to come and do like some levels, you know, I don't have to like create a new bomb for that level. I can just pick one that already exists.
We do have some bombs that are a little strange though, like Cube, for example.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good.
Yeah. So I think it's fine as long as we just like keep doing our thing. Because I don't foresee us adding like a billion fucking different bombs in the future.
I'm just worried about mission mode, honestly. Like, that's just my main concern, because there's going to be a lot of levels. I don't know if that means a lot of bombs.
For mission mode, we could probably do something similar. But for like regular, we can do how we are. Or we could just like
disallow it on mission
yeah.
mode. Yeah, we could just disallow the custom teams on mission mode.
Or another idea I have is possibly making an algorithm to dynamically expand the bomb.
I mean, out for that, up to you. Yeah, we could just. I think the easiest way to do it is probably just to do it so that you can't do it on mission mode. But like, there has to be some sort of warning so that players don't come and like, be like, oh my god, I didn't know that was going to be a thing.
Yeah.
I guess we can just do that for now. Okay, so the way I'll structure it is then, to be clear, is in the difficulties. You know how right now there's beginner and stuff like that, and in each folder there's a bomb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename the bomb to default, the one that's currently there, and then I'm gonna make copies of that, and each one I make is gonna be a theme. And then we can pick the theme like from the folder, depending on which one is selected, basically.
Yeah.
And we just add that to like the config. We just add. Actually, no, we don't have to. Yeah, we don't have to. So we're gonna go from beginning.
Yeah.
The only thing we have to remember to do is like whenever the game starts, it should change the name back to bomb, because I think a lot of the game like.
Yeah.
Bomb.
That's what I will be doing.
So I guess I'll just start doing that.
Actually, while I do that, I am going to actually make it so it renames it to bomb before it actually sets it.
Yeah, so we're gonna forget, I swear. We don't do it now. Yeah, I'm just gonna rename everything to default now. Default. Including test. I'm so excited to work on that.
Yeah.
We have a lot of stuff to do before then, though. Just start with the beginner bomb, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, if we keep up the monetization from yesterday, I'm happy with that. If this actually does add more monetization though, I will be very happy.
It's just
Well,
like,
it will.
It
Yeah.
will. It just, I just don't know how much. Cause
Yeah, I don't know how much. But if it adds like enough for us to just fucking comfortably live, I'm happy for that.
we get too ahead of ourselves, but yes, I do
Yeah.
hope that that is the case.
So the way I see it is that this game's supposed to be like a supplementary income.
That's how I imagined it would be as well when I started going into it.
Yeah.
Like, I imagined that when I finished my education, I would just go to work a normal job, and then this would be like on the side.
Yeah, and it just would give money on the side, which right now it's my only job, but
Yeah, I mean even like how much is happening right now, I mean, for like a side job, it's like not bad.
yeah. Like, it gets enough to probably just like give you like a couple like small joys in life every year, while also focusing on like your bills or something. So it's there.
What time would I want to make first?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I'm probably gonna cut this stream off at like an hour, just because I'm like not fully like mentally ready, because I did kind of just wake up. Because my ass stayed up till 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I saw you were awake.
Yeah.
I woke up. That's right. technically change the shape. I only have to keep it the same. I could make it really anything, as long as it fits modules on it.
Yeah.
I could make it a pumpkin. I'm not going to.
I mean, we've done that before. We've done that before,
Yeah,
kind of.
Exactly.
Just never released it. Would be a good theme. I mean, obviously we're gonna do fucking a theme.
Holiday stuff.
Yeah, I want to do the holiday themes. I might honestly add a Voltex theme. We need more Voltex references in the game.
Okay, so I want to make different types of themes. Okay, so I want to make themes that are just like kind of reskins, and I want to make themes that are like more expensive, that are like entire like different models of the bomb.
Yeah.
So this one I can
Green bomb, purple bomb.
No fucking key. Yeah, I saw mentioned. Okay, he said one of made out of cardboard.
I like that one.
Yeah, he also said one like a cyberpunk theme, like a galactic space theme.
Cardboard. I
I'm
love
actually
it.
down to work on the space
Yeah.
one first. 'Cause that's easy. I like space.
I'm trying to think. I do need to make it so it automatically populates GUIs in the menus now that I have it, a function call for it. That's not going to be too bad. I have it as an enum, so we could check against if it's a disarm effect or a strike effect to add the sound, the play sound button. Oh my.
I can technically change like the timer as well, as long as I don't like rename anything. Yeah, I can like change. Oh wait, I can make it like hooked up to like a space, like a star or something. Oh wait. So cool. This feet.
Just a theme that there's just a secret theme in the game that turns the cube bomb into a fucking like sphere.
We should add the ball.
Yeah. Or like a secret theme that just adds more fucking. It makes it a 3x3.
Yeah, but I would like. I would be bad at this as well. Like, I can solve the cube really fast, but like I would not be able to solve it on like my PC like that. Or to, if I could, it would take me so long.
The issue with cube is it's just like you can't really scale it up without getting the problem of powers.
Yeah.
Like with scaling up a normal bomb. Yeah. Like you're going from like what 16 modules I think. Yeah, 16 modules to like the 27 to fucking to let's see here. Yeah.
Wait, this is cool. Hold on. I'm gonna make on the timer. I'm gonna put like planets. I'm gonna make the star and then the planets. This is gonna be the space one.
Well, let me let's see here. Add UI overlay. You can't have a space theme without highlight. We're gonna add it purple.
Cover everything. We're just gonna cover everything with like.
Oh, actually, I don't want that as the. I want it to be
What is
a.
that? Why are you doing that? Oh, it's a. Oh.
Yeah.
What is that object? I've never seen this object before. It's a highlight.
Yeah.
Sun. This is just like a UI stroke for objects.
Yeah.
So, what's occluded? That That's so cool. That's so cool. I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna use this more. Bro, I've been finding so many different things recently.
Although, I think
I'm gonna add like sparkles, like little dots of light. Oh, that would be so nice.
I put in occluded so it doesn't fucking bleed through the walls, so the expert just doesn't see a random ass.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't actually think there's a a stroke like setting for it, but oh shit. Are butterfly knives legal in Malta?
What?
Are butterfly knives legal in Malta?
Probably are. I'm not sure.
Because I know a lot of countries, that's an extreme gray area.
They are illegal.
Figured.
Typically illegal unless it's import or carried. Actually, I have no idea. I think you can have like a karambit though. A karambit is chill, I think. Oh, that's so cute. I should check it out. This is so not to scale.
It's for me. It kind of looks like a big ass like ice cream cookie. Alright, I'm gonna cut the stream here to just kind of do whatever, and then I'll probably work on the shop on my own time. So, goodbye chat, bazinga.